Service Data Guy joining us. Nice to see you.
Nice to be back.
I was saying the man needs black shades. Men in black action going on right here.
No kidding.
To impress. Okay, here we go. Samsung S3, brand new phone out on the market today. Is it the iPhone killer? Break this down.
It is the next best thing. Truly exciting. It's fast. It's intuitive. Makes sharing super simple. And really gives you that whole human experience. What I mean by that is a lot of the features are controlled by simple acts of motion. How often is it that when you're looking at a phone or reading on the web page where the screen turns off on you? Right? This has a feature where if you're actually looking at the phone, it's got a feature called Smart Stay where it keeps the screen alive, so it doesn't actually go into standby or dim the screen.
Okay, press pause for 1 second. Keep talking because I want to hold the phone up for people to actually see what this thing actually looks like on the display and show the difference between the iPhone and the Samsung. Danny, I will show Mike this right here. Here we go. And that's the big thing, the display screen. The iPhone, which I actually love, is getting trumped with the display. So you talked about the Smarty Stay. Direct call is another humanality function.
It is. So the way that function works is basically, so I'll give you a demo of that. So say if you're texting somebody, you're going back and forth, and then you decide, you know what, it might just be best to just pick up the phone and call the person. So the way that works is, once again, it's that simple little thing. All I do is take the phone and actually just hold it against my ear as if I'm making a call. And as you can see, it's now actually calling this other phone just by the simple act of motion by calling the phone, and that's called direct call. And as you can see, the phone is ringing. So when it's ringing, turn it upside down.
Turn it upside down.
So if you noticed, it silenced it. So that's another cool feature. So how often is it that when the phone rings, you try, and if it's not supposed to ring, you try and cover it, or you turn it upside down. And in this case, you turn it upside down, and it silences it right away. Once again, a simple act of motion.
Making these features much more user-friendly. Okay, now one of the cool things is the picture-in-picture function on this phone. Tell us about that.
That it is. So what I'm going to do is I'll give you a demo. So on this particular phone, if I'm playing a media clip, I can be multitasking and doing other things. So I'm going to let you hold this up for the camera for us. So we'll go back to the home screen. And as you can see, the video...
Oh, Danny's got it? Okay, we'll hold it up for Dan right here.
The video is playing. And let's just cancel this off here. And then I can actually turn and move this around. And I can be on a web page, I can be texting and watching the video at the same time. How cool is that?
And this is the only phone with a picture-in-picture option?
It is, the only phone today that supports that.
Okay, final thing let's point out quickly is the data transfer between phones.
Right. So let me just quickly kill this. So, you know, whenever we'll plug this back in here to get that stellar viewing experience for everyone.
And of course, when you plug it in, you just
you know, it takes a second. So there we go. Okay, excellent. So earlier before the shoot, you know, I took a couple pictures, and we have this picture here of yours truly.
Glam shot. Susie Wall shades. Okay.
So if I wanted to share this with you, it's as simple as using a function called S-beam. So all I do is you hold your phone against mine.
Okay.
We hold it back to back.
I feel so close to you right now. Right there.
And let's try this again.
Okay. Now, does this phone have to be active? Do I need to push a button?
So let's get you just, let's just make sure that this thing is sitting on.
So if he works this out.
There we go. Let's try this again.
On the market today, brand new thing, gorgeous display.
So as you can see, I've got the option here when I click it to tap the screen.
Will it work?
There you go. Now pull it apart. And hold your phone out for the camera.
We'll take a close look and see.
And it should be transferring that photo over in just a moment.
Wow, the Wi-Fi is so quick today in the building.
I know. There you go.
Magical.
So,
come on, there it is.
There we go.
And now it works.
So this works via technology called NFC and Wi-Fi Direct.
Very cool.
So when you combine this amazing phone with the Rogers LTE network, you've really got a match made in heaven. It is available in this beautiful marble white as well as the pebble blue.
Very good,
and
Amir.
it launched today on the Rogers network.
Thank you so much for coming in. If you want to pick up a brand new phone, check out this one. I saw some good reviews online about this as well. Excited to play with this device. Michelle, standing by. I know some people like their colors. What do you like, white or pebble blue?
I'm going to have to go pebble blue. I'm liking it. Thank you very much, you guys. That's awesome. I like the direct call feature. Very cool. Okay, let's do a direct call into your traffic. Shall we? Westbound traffic, oh, that was so lame. Westbound Lougheed right around Bell Avenue, wrapping up an accident there.